Hello children, today I will explain exercise 8.3. Children, in exercise 8.3, firstly I will explain two terms. First like decimals, second unlike decimals. Like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Let's understand with this example. For example, if we have 4028.32 and 428.78. Here we have two decimal number and we know that decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal part. For finding that it is like decimals or not, we have to check only decimal places, that is 32 and 78. If both side or in both decimal number we have same number of digits, here we have two digits and here we have two digits. In both decimals number we have same number of digits, that means they are like decimals. In simple words we can say that if the decimal number having the same number of digits to the right side of the decimal point are called like decimals. Second, unlike decimals. Decimals not having the same number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 402.79 and 478.902. In this decimal number, we have two digits to the right of the decimal point, and in this decimal number we have three digits to the right of the decimal point. In both decimal number, we have different number of digits to the right of the decimal point. That's why they are called unlike decimals. In simple words, we can say that the decimal having the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point are called like decimals, or if the decimal number having different number of digits to the right of the decimal point are called unlike decimals. Now let's understand converting unlike decimals into like decimals. Unlike decimals can be converted into like decimals by adding zeros to the right of the decimal point or by finding their equivalent decimal. Here I have written by adding zeros to the right of the decimal point. That means we can write or remove 0 at the end of the decimal point only because it doesn't change its value. Now let's understand with this example. Convert 1.05, 0.9 and 18.426 into like decimals. Here we have three numbers. First 1.05, second 0.9, third 18.426. They all are unlike decimals because they have different number of digits at the decimal places. Firstly, we check maximum number of digits at the decimal places, that is 3. So we will convert it into 3 decimal places. That is, here for converted into 3 digits at decimal places, we will add 1 0 at the end. Here 0.9, we have only one digit at decimal places, so we will add 2 0 at the end of the decimal places. Here we have 3 digits, so we will write it as it is. Now they all are like decimals. Now let's understand comparing decimal numbers. We have to follow 4 steps. Step first, convert unlike decimal into like decimals. Step 2, compare the whole number part. The decimal with the greater whole number part are greater. Step 3, if the whole number part is equal, compare the digits in the 10th place. The decimal with the greater digit in the 10th place is greater. Step 4, if the digits in the 10th place are also equal, compare the digits in the 100th place and so on. Let's understand with this example. If we have two decimal number, first 47.29 and 47.3. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimal. 47.29 and second one 47.3. Here we have maximum number of digits at decimal places is 2. So we will add 0 in second decimal number. Now both are like decimal. Now firstly we will compare whole number. Here we have 47 and in second decimal number we also have 47 and they both are equal. So now we will compare 10th place digit. Here we have 2 and here we have 3 and we know that 3 is greater than 2. That means 47.30 is greater than 47.29, or we can say that 47.29 is less than 47.3. Let's understand question number 1, which is greater. In this question, we have to compare these two numbers for finding which is greater. First part, 0.3 or 0.4. Before comparing it, we have to convert it into like decimal. In this part, we have one digit to the right of the decimal point in both numbers. That means they are like decimals. So, we have to compare one by one. Here, firstly, we will compare whole part. Both number is having 0. That means they are equal. Now we will compare decimal part one by one. 3 and 4. 4 is greater than 3. That means 0.3 and 0.4. In both numbers, 0.4 is greater than 0.3. B part, 0.07 or 0.02. Here we have two digits to the right of the decimal point, and in this number we have two digits to the right of the decimal point. That means they are like decimals. So now we will compare firstly whole part. In both decimal number, whole parts are equal. So we will compare now decimal part. Here we have 0 and here we also have 0. Both are equal. Now we will compare next digit to the decimal part. Here we have 7 and here we have 2. That means 7 is greater than 2. Therefore 0.07 is greater than 0.02. C part, 3 or 0.8. Firstly we will convert it into like decimal. 3.0 or 0.8. After decimal, we will add 0. Now, here, firstly we will compare whole part. Here 3 and in this decimal number we have 0. And we know that 3 is greater than 0. That means 3.0 is greater than 0.8. Or we can say that 3 is greater than 0.8. D part, 0.5 or 0.05. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimals. Here we have two digits to the right of the decimal point and here we have one digit. So here we add 1 0 to the right of the decimal point. Now both will become like decimal. Now we will compare whole part. In both decimal number we have 0 as a whole part. That means they are equal. So we will compare decimal part. Here we have 5 and here we have 0. That means 5 is greater than 0. That means 0.50 is greater than 0.05, or we can say 0.5 is greater than 0.05. E part, 1.23 or 1.2. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimal. For this, we will add 0 in second decimal number. Now both are like decimal. Now we will compare whole part. In both decimal number, we have same whole part. Now we will compare decimal part. Here we have 2 and here we also have 2. That means they are equal. So we will compare next decimal part, that is 3 and 0. And 3 is greater than 0, therefore 1.23 is greater than 1.20, or we can say that 1.23 is greater than 1.2. F part, 0.099 or 0.19. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimal. For this, we will add 0 in 0.19. Now, both are like decimals. Firstly, we will compare whole part. In both decimal number, whole part are equal. So, we will compare 10th part. Here we have 0 as the 10th part and here we have 1. And we know that 1 is greater than 0. That means 0.099 is less than 0.190, or we can say that 0.099 is less than 0.19. G part, 1.5 or 1.50. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimal by adding 0. Now we will compare. Here both numbers have same digit. That means they are equal. So we can say that 1.5 is equals to 1.50. H part, 1.431 and 1.490. In both decimal number, we have same number of digits to the right of the decimal point. That means they are like decimal. So we compare the digits one by one. At 1st place we have 1. In both decimal numbers they are equal. At 10th place we have 4. They also equal. At 100th place we have 3 in first decimal number and 9 at second decimal number. And 9 is greater than 3. Therefore 1.490 is greater than 1.431. I part, 3.3 or 3.300. Firstly we will write it as like decimal. For this we add how many 0 here? In second decimal number we have 3 digits to the right of the decimal point and here we have 1 digit only. So we will add 2 0. Now we will compare it. Now we see that in both numbers we have same number of digits. That means they are equal. So we can say that 3.3 is equals to 3.300. J part 5.64 or 5.603. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimals. For this, we will add 0 in first decimal number. Now, both are like decimal. At ones place, we have 5 in both number. That means they are equal. At 10th place, we have 6 in both decimal number. They are also equal. At 100th place, in first decimal number, we have 4 and in second decimal number, we have 0. Here, 4 is greater than 0. That means 5.640 is greater than 5.603. Or we can say that 5.64 is greater than 5.603. Number 2. Make 5 more examples and find the greater. This question is quite similar to previous one. So I am giving you as a homework. Try to understand. Children, in this question you can also use another examples.